Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the real Reddit proven fixes that actually speed up BlueStacks 5 in 2025. These are the solutions that worked for more people on Reddit. Let's get started. This is the number one fix mentioned all over Reddit. Open the BlueStacks 5, select the setting gear icon, and in performance mode, set this to high performance. CPU allocation, you just need to set it to half of your cores. To find it, just right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance tab and select the CPU. In here, you can able to see how much cores you have. In my case, I have 24. So I can select Custom and set this to 8. In your case, you just need to set it to the half of your CPU cores. Memory allocation, set this to half of your system memory. Open up task manager, go to memory, and in my case I have 32 GB, so I can able to select this 8 GB high, and then select save changes option and select restart now. Again go to settings and go to graphics. Graphics renderer, set this to OpenGL, and interface renderer, set this to auto, and ASTC textures, set this to software decoding, and select save changes option and select restart now. This alone can drastically increase FPS and remove lag. If that didn't work, if virtualization is off, BlueStacks becomes extremely slow. Go to start menu and select the power option and restart your PC. In starting off the PC, you just need to press the BIOS key in your keyboard. I just started pressing the delete key, just tapping. Once you are in the BIOS, use your mouse and you just need to select this advanced mode and go to tweaker and select the advanced CPU settings and you can able to see Intel virtualization technology. Just double click on it and set this to enabled and go to save and exit option over here on the top right and select save and exit setup. Save configuration and reset. Select the yes option. This is the one of the biggest performance boost according to Reddit users. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Hyper-V blocks BlueStacks from using full virtualization. Just need to go to search menu and type Windows features. Comes up 10 Windows features on or off. Click on open it. In here, you just need to uncheck Hyper-V and Windows Hypervisor platform and Virtual Machine platform, and then select OK. Go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. On left side, select device security. Select the core isolation details and turn off this memory integrity and select yes. Now just to close stuff here and restart your PC. Many Reddit users said BlueStacks instantly become faster after this. If that didn't work, some games run poorly on Nugget, but most faster on Pi 64-bit. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open this BlueStacks multi-instance manager. Select stop all option and select close all and select instance and select fresh instance. Click on the drop down and select Pi 64-bit and select next and select where system specs are here. If you have any doubt doing this, then just right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance. In CPU, select over half of your cores, guys. In my case, I have 24, so I can select here Custom and set this to highest possible 8. And memory allocation, same thing. Go to memory. In my case, I have 32 GB RAM. You can set it to half of your RAM. So I'm selecting the extreme 12 GB resolution. Set this to your monitor's resolution. In my case, 1920 into 1080. And performance mode set to high performance and select the download option. After this gets done, whenever you start the BlueStacks, you just need to start it through this BlueStacks multi-instance manager and start the newly created Pi 64-bit. Select the start option. Reddit users reported a huge FPS improvement with this. If that didn't work, try this next fix. This is a surprising but effective trick. Go to settings and go to display and set this pixel density to 240 and select the save changes option and restart the BlueStacks. Reddit users continuously gained 10 to 20 FPS with this setting. If that didn't work, BlueStacks performance depends heavily on graphics drivers. Update your NVIDIA or AMD drivers to the latest stable version. A lot of people on Reddit fixed lag simply by updating their GPU drivers. To do this, open the NVIDIA app. For AMD users, open the AMD software and go to drivers tab and select check for updates and select the download option and install the latest available driver. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Some antivirus programs slow BlueStacks heavily, especially Kaspersky and Avast. Turn off the real-time protection just for a moment and test. If BlueStacks becomes faster, add the BlueStacks folder to the antivirus exclusions. If that didn't work, try this next fix. If you are running BlueStacks on a hard drive, it will always feel slow. Switching to an SSD gives you a massive speed boost in loading and gameplay. To find that, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance. In here, select the disk. In my case, disk C. In type, you can able to see SSD. If BlueStacks is installed in the hard drive, then uninstall and reinstall the BlueStacks in the SSD, guys. Reddit users saw huge performance jumps after doing this. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Open the BlueStacks 5 and open the Task Manager and go to Details and find BlueStacks service. You can able to see bstkSVC.exe. Just right click and select set priority to high and select change priority. It gives a small but noticeable boost. And that's it for today's video. If these fixes helped you speeding up BlueStacks, make sure like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.